Budget in Bujeti gives your team the freedom to move fast while keeping you in control. In this video, I'll walk you through creating a budget that guides your team to spend with intention, one that keeps them aligned and accountable without requiring you to micromanage them. Let's dive in.
On the Bujeti dashboard, navigate to the expense section in the menu bar. Click on Budget from the drop-down. On the budget page, click Create a Budget. Now fill in your budget details such as name. Choose a name that helps you easily identify the budget. State the purpose of the budget, and if needed, add a buffer percentage to allow flexibility if and only if needed. Select the budget frequency. Select whether the budget is one time, weekly, monthly, or annually. Add an expiration date, then click Continue. Now you want to assign members to the budget and set spending rules. First, start by selecting the specific budget owner, and then add team members to the budget. Then set a splitting rules to control how each team member spends from the budget. This splitting rule is completely optional. When you are done, click Save.
We've successfully created one budget. So go ahead and create the next one to help your team move faster and spend within the budget limits. Thank you.